Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm really excited. We're going to take a look at and we're going to try and we're going to review and we're going to give you our first reactions to a new product that our company just launched. But before we do that, I want to just take a minute and really say thank you again for all of the likes and the comments and all the interactions and the emails. That really lets us stay in tune with what it is that you're looking for so we can serve you the best, because that's what we're really here for. As we're jumping in here, this is kind of what just launched is essentially a new flavor of a product that we've had for the whole 26 or 7 years that Maurice and I have been in the company, and that is our NRG tea. And NRG doesn't stand for what it sounds like. It doesn't stand for energy. It's nature's raw guarana, and our family has used and loved the NRG tea for the whole 20 some odd years we've been a part of this and been using the products, especially our kids. And I'm going to go over in a couple of minutes some of the basic benefits of guarana itself as a supplement. But the new flavor, and this is basically unflavored, it just tastes like a really mild, smooth tea, and it comes instant if you're not familiar. So it's a powder that you simply put the powder into your water. It mixes up immediately, easily, and it's delicious. The new flavor is, I should have my glasses on, Passionfruit Hibiscus. And I'm pretty excited about this. There's several things here to point out, and one is that it has a beautiful color when it's mixed up, but I want you to know that there's no artificial colors. The coloring actually comes from purple carrots, which I'm very excited about. The dyes are out of control, and there's so many people that know that there are issues with many of the dyes that are used in our foods and our drinks these days, that I'm really excited about that. Also certified non-GMO, so it's all naturally occurring products processed in a responsible and what's that word where you can keep doing it? Sustainable, responsible and sustainable way, and in a way that provides our bodies with the nutrients that we expect to receive from the supplements and the herbs and the botanicals that we're using. So we're excited to try this out today. We're just gonna mix this up really quick. Okay, again, super easy to mix. We're gonna use 1/2 of a teaspoon as a serving, and you guys, can you believe that in this little bottle, there are 60 servings in this bottle alone? It's super, super cost effective. Oh, it smells good. Smell it.
Does smell good.
Okay, so 1/2 teaspoon, put that right into your glass, and just add water. It is very pretty.
Also goes really easy into a water bottle if you're on the go.
For sure. All right, we're gonna give it a quick stir, although I think it's already dissolved. I'm not gonna take the time to add ice, but look how pretty that is. Smells really good. Do you want to taste it first? Or do you want me to?
Sure, let me try it.
All right.
Guys normally don't care how pretty it is, but it needs to taste good and it needs to work.
True.
Oh wow, it has a lot of flavor. I'm surprised.
Really?
Yeah, it seems like a lot of teas that are flavored, you can barely taste the flavoring.
True.
And this is it's not real strong, but it does taste good, and you can certainly taste it. It's not just red.
For
you
sure.
can also taste it.
Yeah, nice light, kind of crisp flavor, and I'm just gonna keep drinking it. Okay. And you can for sure taste, it's got like a little bit of a fruity taste. I'm sure that's the passion fruit. And I don't know what hibiscus is supposed to taste like. I've not actually tried a hibiscus tea before, but anyway, it's delicious. Nice, light, crisp flavor. I know our daughter Stacy mixes the regular NRG into her lemon flavored herbal tea concentrate every morning, and she was like, I don't know about mixing another flavor, but I think this is going to mix really nice with the lemon teas. So another thing is that if you do mix these into your herbal tea concentrates, like almost all of us do, every day, there's only 40 milligrams of caffeine in here, so it's going to mix in really well without pushing you over the edge, especially if you're caffeine sensitive. And if you are caffeine sensitive and the herbal tea concentrate is too much for you, this probably will not be. It's less than half of what's in the herbal tea concentrate. Let's see, what else can we say about this before we go into the basic benefits of the Guarana guarana itself?
Well, a lot of times people haven't tried the NRG tea at all, wonder what the difference is between the NRG tea and the Herbalife herbal tea concentrate. And one of the big differences is that the herbal tea concentrate helps to boost the metabolism so that your body burns the calories that it's supposed to be burning. Also has some ingredients in it that are known around the world to aid in digestion. And so the herbal tea concentrate does that. It's got it's got more tea, so it's got more caffeine in there. Nice spring in your step from the herbal tea concentrate, so it's fantastic. The NRG tea also has naturally occurring caffeine, but it's a different source and it's slower to metabolize. It metabolizes down slower in the digestive process. And so when you drink the NRG tea, you get, like, for me, it's like a nice physical energy. It's like I want to get up and move. Not like I'm jittery, but like when I get up and move, I just, I feel like going a little bit more. And it also really helps to sharpen mental clarity and focus, which is super nice. And that's one of the things that our daughter Stacy likes about it. She deals with some issues that are, either similar to ADHD or maybe ADHD. She hasn't been diagnosed, and it helps to calm down her mind so that she can focus and think according to her. We're not making any medical claims, never have, never will. But if you give it a shot, maybe pay attention to those types of things.
Yeah, excellent. So let's look at a couple of the benefits of guarana itself. And it's some of these he's already mentioned. Fights both mental and physical fatigue. I love the mental energy I get from the guarana teas, and that's why I add it to my herbal tea concentrate in the morning, is because it helps me concentrate and focus and think, because I can get a little bit scatterbrained. Our daughter Stacy, who deals a little bit with ADHD, says that I'm also ADHD, and I'm not arguing, but I've also never been diagnosed, and I don't really like to take that label. However, the guarana teas do help me dial it in and focus and concentrate and finish one thought before I start the next 5. It also helps with mental focus and concentration, as I've said. It increases mental response time and your ability to process, or your cognition. It reduces inflammation, which is a huge issue these days. There's so many people running around in constant states of chronic inflammation. So this is just one more tool in your belt to help combat some of that just constant inflammation. And some recent studies are now also showing that guarana may also aid in weight loss, reduce insulin resistance, generate new mitochondria, which are basically the energy centers inside of all of our personal cells, and activate the AMPK, which stimulates metabolism and helps your body metabolize your food and use that as energy to aid in, we're going to circle back all the way back to aiding in weight loss. It also is known to reduce some of the symptoms of ADHD, especially like anxiety from mental overstimulation. So that's what we have for you guys here today. This is really delicious. If you give it a try, please let us know what your thoughts are, what you notice and how you feel. Do you love the taste? I love the taste. It's a very light, but like he said, there's a lot of flavor, but it's not overpowering. And I think personally it's delicious. I'm gonna put it in my herbal tea concentrate in the morning and see how that goes. So thank you guys for joining us here today. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. That helps our channel out a whole lot. And also share it with someone you know who may be interested in the same things you are and may enjoy this video as well. And until next time, you guys, bye for now.